this is Nikhil here again, and welcome back to my channel. So this is just a continuation video to the previous video, and in case if you have not watched that video, I'll put the link in the description, as well as it will come here somewhere, so you can find it. So in that video we ended till the part where you can set up your whole account and then start searching for it, and start messaging people that you are interested in the particular property. Right now, what other features of this particular website you can use, and which I particularly used in order to get the best results. I just wanted to add on those things. For example, suppose if you open this particular flat, you get all the details, right, which I mentioned in the previous video. Apart from that, you can find these kind of details. Okay, in case if anything is unclear, what you can do is, after texting this particular person, if he or she replies, you can ask like, what is this detached house? What do you mean by tiles? What do you mean by satellite? Tiles is fine, that flooring will be of tiles, right? See, these are the tiles, but what about satellite? Means actually what it is, right? So you can ask such things, as well as see, in case if there is some equipment fee, you can ask about what kind of equipment it is and all. Along with that, in case if you're not right now in a mood to suppose ask them, what you can do is, you can sort of say, add this particular property to your favorites. This can be done after logging in, right? Then you can add a note like, I like this property, okay, and then save. So this particular note will be saved for this. And the biggest thing and biggest hack out of it, which you can use, for example, like, upon searching here, in case if you see this, you're not in a exact mindset that, oh, yes, this particular property is good, but is it near to my house or not? And searching every now and then, like, okay, searching the address in the Google Maps or XYZ place, it is not that convenient, right? So what you can do is, open this, go to this particular map, right? Go to any ad which have this map, and then show surrounding ads. Now see, all these plus signs are there, this orange ones, this blue one is for this particular property, and the orange ones are the nearby. So what you can do is, you can little bit squeeze the map and sort of say zoom out, and then you can zoom in for your particular region where you want your flat or say accommodation to be. For example, first of all, you need to search your university. So I am at University of Paderborn. So here is University Paderborn. Now what I can do is, I can search all the nearby uh, accommodations available on this particular website, right? So for example, see this. So here it is a 18 meter square flat which is available for 4 person, and it is a 270 euro, right? But what it is, for November or till November only, right? So I got offer this for this particular flat. uh, then this, see, 42 meter square and 510 euro. Then you can do it, what, show ad. Just open it in another tab so that you can keep it, add to favorite for later, in case if you want. In case if somebody want to live in near the city center, they can find another accommodation, right? For example, you want to live little bit far, somewhere around this. So what you can do is, go click over this, or once you go near, so you will find multiple options, in case if there. So for example, this plus sign, right? So once I go close, they split into two. So one flat is there, one is there. So you can simply click on it and then see that particular accommodation, right? So these are the things which you can have a look, and that can increase your chance for finding a better accommodation. Simply just looking at all the ads, opening them and watching their address is gonna sort of say waste your time a lot. So better do that. right? For the example, I contacted with this particular person. Okay, and then you can go to your favorites. You can then watch what all flats have you kept in favorite. Then you can watch from here, like also, yes, correct, I forgot one more thing, that you can also request. Okay, so requesting one flat room flats, open this, write your title, your city, your category, then your rent type, like short term, long term, whatever you want, then continue. Then they'll ask you for adding more details about yourself. You simply have to add those details, and then it is done. So for example, I have also created a request. I'm just searching for it. My profile, sorry, my ads. So see, shared apartment, single apartment required. So I sort of searched for myself and created this request. So anybody who want a roommate, and if they want like me, so they can connect with me and they can have me. They asked for adding some photos, so I added a couple of photos, and then I put the detail of mine, which I showed over there. So somebody might connect with me and I can have that flat. So that is it from now, and hope you find a good flat soon. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.